This credit repair strategy that I'm about to reveal to you has gotten this family approved for a new home, this Cybertruck, and this person right here got an 800 plus credit score. And I'm gonna break it all down for you. What's up, family? I'm back with another one. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. So in today's class, I want to reveal a credit repair strategy that can help you fix your credit so you can either get approved for a brand new home, or maybe you want access to funding, or maybe you want a brand new car. Whatever that looks like, I want to help you knock the credit bureaus out so you can get access to whatever you're trying to get access to. All right, so sit back, relax, grab a pen, get some paper, get something to drink, and yes, we drinking some water, all right, because I want to help you. Hold up, before we get into the step-by-step process, I want you to understand this, all right? Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax isn't really trying to help you, all right? And what most people do is leverage different apps and say, these accounts don't belong to me, and guess what? They come back verified. But I want to show you something a little bit different that's going to help you knock them out. So what you want to do is, if you're watching this on the big TV, all right, but you want to go to hiddencreditreport.com. And what it's going to do, I'm going to walk you through it, because what you need to do is get access to a report that's going to help you remove those negative accounts off your report. You can't fix what you can't see. So I'm going to show you what you need to see to knock them out. All right, so let's work. You can't fix what you can't see, like I said. So what you want to do is go to hiddencreditreport.com. All right, the link is going to be in the description and pinned to the comments, okay? Now, once you go to hiddencreditreport.com, it's going to go to Smart Credit. Once you go to Smart Credit, you're going to get access to your report, okay? Now, once you get access to your report, you're gonna fill this information out. It costs $1, and yes, you need to keep it active so you can understand what's going on a month-to-month basis, okay? Now, from there, what you're gonna do is, once you log in, you're gonna click on reports, okay? And then you're gonna click on 3 bureau reports and scores, okay? And then you're gonna click on switch to classic view, all right? Now, the reason why you wanna switch it to classic view is because most people don't even know this exists, and most people don't even know how to get a report that gives you information just like this to remove the negative accounts off your report, okay? So once you get access to your report, this is very important. You're gonna see all your accounts on your report, the open accounts and the closed accounts. So this part is gonna be important. So what you wanna do is just look at every single collection, every single charge off. If you have a bankruptcy, if you have eviction, if you have student loans with late payments, what I want you to do is, I don't want you to go over line item by line item. What I want you to do is screenshot every single account on your report, all right? Once you screenshot every single account on your report, I'm gonna show you what to do next. So what you're gonna do is, now this prompt, you're gonna go over to ChatGPT or whatever AI that you like, Grok, Claude, Gemini, whatever you like. You're gonna leverage one of these platforms, okay? You're gonna upload those screenshots just like here. So I have you upload a screenshot of the negative account. And then what we're gonna do is, because I don't want you to get overwhelmed with understanding the laws, I don't want you to get overwhelmed with trying to do everything, analyzing the report, you're gonna leverage artificial intelligence to help you, okay? And with artificial intelligence, it's gonna find all the violations, it's gonna find all the laws, it's gonna break everything down for you. So what you can do is just get a copy of this letter, send it off to Expand, TransUnion, Equifax, and then watch some of the improvements start happening, okay? Now, act like a world-class dispute expert with 20 plus years and find violations according to the FCRA and Metro 2 compliance, okay? And what's gonna happen is, it's gonna break down those screenshots that you uploaded, okay? And then it's gonna find the violations, it's gonna find Metro 2 compliance issues with a specific account, because Experian, I want you to understand this, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, how they report certain things on your report, they're supposed to be abiding by Metro 2 compliance. And if it's not reporting correctly, according to the compliance, discrepancies. Now, the specific details within the account, also, you're gonna see violation, and it's supposed to be 100% accurate, okay? And you can look up the specific laws, you can check them out, but it's gonna break down the violations and the laws, and the compliance problems. So it can help you remove those negative accounts off your report, okay? Now, as you can see right here, number one, major FCRA and Metro 2 violations. It's going to break it down. Number one, date of last activity is different across Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Now, date last activity, data last, those dates are very important because it determines how long an account can stay on your report. So if the account is supposed to be scheduled to come off at a certain date, but this date is messed up, when it, not this, like specific dates on your report is messed up, guess what? The account is going to stay on your report longer than what it needs to be, which is a major violation and and something that you can sue as well. If you want to take this or escalate it up, you need to find a consumer lawyer. But I'm not a lawyer. I'm just here to show you your rights and the violations. All right. So number one, our major FCRA. So I'll break it down why this is a violation and the laws, so you can understand and see what I'm talking about. Number two, right? Original creditor reporting is inconsistent, as you can see. It has to be 100% accurate. Paid collection is still reporting as a charge-off status. Okay. Missing late payment information. Paid collection is still damaging, re-aging. All right. Missing investigation documentation. All right. So it got about 6 violations. Okay. Now, what you can do with this information is the next prompt. Okay. I don't want you to have to learn all this information. What we want to do is leverage artificial intelligence. We just got to prompt it right, okay? So the next prompt you're going to do is the one that I had before, is say this. Now, act like a world-class dispute expert, 20 plus years, and create a letter with the violations that will increase my chances to delete this account from my credit report, right? That's what you want to type in. It's going to help you create a letter that will increase your chances of getting that account removed from your report, all right? Now, based off of that, it's gonna come up with a letter. Now, all you wanna do next is just copy this letter, right? And you're gonna put it over, I'm gonna show you, because you're gonna need a copy of this letter. If you ever have to sue the credit bureaus, if you have to show a consumer lawyer or whatever the case may be, okay? All right, now, so what you wanna do, like I said before, is you're gonna copy everything over to a Google Doc, all right? Because once you have a copy, as you know, you can always re-access this letter if you need to take this to court, right? So here's going to be the letter. Of course, you're going to put your name and your address, city, date of birth, and then you can just put your last 4 of your social. You're going to put today's date, and then either Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, wherever you're trying to create this letter for, okay? And then you can review everything. This is just an example, right? And then from there, as you can see, the violations. But what I want to do is double check the requested action, right? All right, so requested action is due to multiple violations. This cannot be standard. Therefore, I request the credit bureaus delete the account entirely. Delete the account entirely. You're trying to remove all that. Delete the account. Remove all this extra stuff if you have it. And then sincerely, your name, right? Put your name, okay? And that's it. And then you're gonna send that letter to Experian. You're gonna send that letter to TransUnion. You're gonna send that letter to Equifax, all right? Add your 3 forms of identification, driver's license, proof of residency. The reason why you wanna add 3 forms of identification is because sometimes they say, we need more documentation to verify it's actually you that sent the letter in, okay? Now, just add 3 to form identification. All right, now, I just created a step-by-step process of how you can do it yourself. But if you don't have time to do none of this, right? If you want me and my team to do it for you, craft a letter, because I understand that your time is valuable and you got things going on and you're not trying to do everything, all these different things. So me and my team, we can do for you is do free credit repair. All you have to do is cover credit monitoring, okay? And all you gotta do is just fill out this form. The link is gonna be pinned to the description and into the comments, okay? And you just click on it right here, start my free credit repair journey. And then from there, you'll fill everything out, all right? Check this box and then start my free credit repair and just give my team about 24 to 48 hours. The next page is gonna send you to is for you to sign up for Smart Credit. All right, now if you don't have Smart Credit already, all right, you can start your trial on that page. And then me and my team will send the form, get everything created for you and mailed off, We'll get everything, the letters created for you, send them over to you so you can mail them off, right? This is how that person that I showed you in the beginning got the house, got the car, because we did all this for them, and all they did was just mail off the letters every single month, and they improved their credit score so they can get access, because their goal was to get a new home and get that new car. So based off of what you want, we can help you do the same.